Hey guys, Merry Christmas. So I have not come to you with a True Lift video in a while, so I decided we can do one and it can be a holiday edition. So happy holidays to you guys. This is one of our holiday drops from this week, and it's our Deck the Hall shirt. And I really like it. I never wear green, but I believe green looks really good up against my skin. So I may start wearing a little bit of green. I wanted to make this kind of like a festive look, so I went in with these sequins pants. Nothing says festive and holiday like sequins. So I put these pants on with it. I hope you like it. Of course I had to do boob tape with this, so I had to use a True Lift. One thing I can say about the Deck the Halls top, I will say I will size up because I sized up. I'm wearing a large. When I tried to wear this top with a low cut bra, it definitely made it impossible to button. So you're definitely gonna need True Lift to lift your girls up where you need them to be. And that way it makes it easier to button your shirt. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the old, easiest way possible to do this method, and that is my favorite. And that's the same way you would do with any deep V or low cut top. I'm wearing Noor, and you're just gonna lift up and pull. So I'm gonna show you how this looks without the shirt on, and then I'm gonna show you how to apply it. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is our Deck the Halls top, and this is what it looks like when the top is open with me wearing True Lift cosmetic tape in Noor. All right, so remember, do not apply any lotions, oil to your skin before applying the tape, and also make sure that your skin is not moist when you apply the tape. So I've already applied mine, but I'm gonna show you how to apply with the already applied. All right, so you're gonna measure your boob from top to bottom. So you're gonna go here to here. So I need it to come across, you know, it's right back in this area. And you definitely want to make sure you cut it a little shorter than you measured, because that's what's going to give your tape the tension that you need. So the tape stretches, and when it stretches, it pulls, and that is what gives you the lift that you need, right? So I always cut it a little bit shorter than I measured, and I'm going to go in and apply it. I have on nails, forgive me. I'm trying to get it off the roll. Okay. Here we go. So here's my tape. I'm removing it from the roll. Remember to do it slowly, because if you do it too fast, it'll bunch up. Not this slow though. And boom, there it is. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna start at the bottom. Right there at the bottom, and I'm going to lift up and come across. There, and it sticks. No problem. No roll, none of that. All right? And then you're gonna go in, and there you have it. And you're just gonna do that method on both sides. Now, as you can see, I did it on this side because my left breast had more lift than my right breast, so I had to come in and adjust that so my girls were looking even. They were a little off in the beginning of the video. And then you're just gonna go from there. All right, so I'm gonna button this shirt, and I'm gonna be back. Hey guys, so now I'm back, and I got my shirt all buttoned up. And now my girls are even. They were totally uneven in the beginning of the video, and y'all didn't tell me, but I caught it. But we're back, and they're even. And I love True Lift. I love this top. Remember to size up. It's super festive. It's available for local pickup, and it's available for shipping for today too. So you definitely want to make sure, like I said, it's definitely, you got to make sure you lift up. The name of the game with the True Lift cosmetic tape is you want to definitely lift up and pull. All right, don't cut too much tape or you're not going to get enough lift. And make sure that you're lifting your breast as you're applying the tape. Okay? All right, make sure to get your True Lift removal oil to remove your tape with no problem. No damage to your skin. Thank you guys. Happy holidays.